Changing your LLC address in California might seem like a simple administrative task, but doing it correctly is crucial for maintaining your business's good standing. Missing important notices or deadlines due to outdated address information can lead to serious consequences. When you need to update your LLC address in California, the process is straightforward in most cases. Unlike major changes to your business structure or name, address updates typically don't require a certificate of amendment. Instead, you'll file an updated statement of information, also known as Form LLC 12, with the California Secretary of State. The fastest way to update your address is through the California Secretary of State's BizFile online system. This user-friendly portal allows you to make changes electronically without the delays associated with paper filings. The standard filing fee is $20, though this may vary if you're updating other information simultaneously. To change your LLC address online, first access the BizFile portal and log into your account. Use the Business Entity Search function to locate your LLC record, then select the option to file a statement of information. Enter your new address details carefully, as errors can delay processing. After submitting the form and paying the fee, you'll receive confirmation once the Secretary of State processes your update. It's important to understand what type of address you're changing. Your LLC might have several different addresses on file: a principal business address where operations take place, a mailing address for correspondence, and a registered agent address for receiving legal documents. All of these can be updated through the Statement of Information. In rare cases, if your LLC's address is specifically mentioned in your Articles of Organization, you might need to file a Certificate of Amendment using Form LLC 2. This form officially amends your LLC's founding documents and typically costs $30 for standard processing. After updating your address with the Secretary of State, don't forget to notify other government agencies. The Internal Revenue Service requires Form 8822-B for business address changes. While the California Franchise Tax Board automatically syncs with Secretary of State records, it's wise to confirm your update through their website. If you have employees, also notify the Employment Development Department. Finally, file a change of address with the Postal Service to ensure mail forwarding. Failing to update your address promptly can have serious consequences. California business law requires address changes to be reported within 30 days. Missing this deadline could mean missed notices about tax filings, annual reports, or other compliance requirements. This can lead to late fees, penalties, or even suspension of your LLC's good standing. Keeping your LLC's address current ensures you receive all important communications and maintains your business's legal compliance. By following the proper procedures and notifying all relevant agencies, you can avoid unnecessary complications and keep your California LLC in good standing.